Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hello everyone. This is a unique build that I have for a purpose. So I was on Amazon the other day and I picked up some stickers. These little stickers hold envelopes closed and they say thank you on them, and you get 2 rolls. And I think that it's awesome to, when you are preparing mail, that you have the option of putting a little sticker there that says thank you. So this box doesn't open, well, it does open if I wanted to. It's adhered by 2 glue dots. And I wanted to make another one for this one, because what's happening is whoops. I'm just trying to get the roll going without ruining a sticker. That may or may not be possible. Hang on. Here it comes. So what's happening is that when I go to use it, it starts to like unravel very easily. So it's bugging me. So yeah, what I thought I would do would be to build a little box around it. And I feel like you may have a similar want, maybe you want to put your glue dots in a box, something like this. Of course, you would have to modify the top, but maybe you have something similar that you would like to make. So I'm going to share with you how to do it. And this is Pattern Play and Designer Series paper and Coastal Cabana, and I am going to use Artistry Blooms paper. Okay, let's get started. I have a piece of Coastal Cabana here that is sized 8.5 by 5 1/4, and on the long side we're going to score at 1 1/4, 4, 5 1/4, and 8. I'm going to flip it round, 1 1/4 and 4. I'm going to fold and burnish all the score lines. All right, with my paper snips here, I'm going to angle on this long center rectangle, and then I'm going to cut up on these. And then just cut up on your score lines. All right, so I will wedge out on the score lines, or sorry, on the tabs here. Now I am going to adhere the box. So I'm going to put adhesive. There we go. On that piece. Close the box up. And let's see if that's the back. Then I'm going to take this tab. So this is the top. I'm going to take this tab right out. Okay. Now I'm going to fold the tab in, and we'll just give it, it doesn't have to be too strong, but I will do 2 adhesives, 2 lines of adhesive. Hang on, I'll close this for a second. There we go. Make it nice and straight. Get my hands in there, trim off any excess. Okay. Now, I'm going to put my roll inside. I'm going to close it gently, and then I'm just going to put 2 glue dots so that it can be easily pried up again if I choose to purchase, which I probably will. I kind of like them. So I'm going to put, well, first of all, I'm going to put the glue dot on my thumb and then attach it to the paper. And here as well. First, stick it to your skin first. Can't forget that weird feeling. Okay. So it should just come out just like that, which makes it easier and prettier to sit on my desk. Now, let's talk about pretty. I'm going to use this beautiful paper from Artistry Blooms. It's kind of like an ombre. Okay, so this is, you need 2 pieces at 2 1/4 by 2 by 2.5. Let me just double check that. I think I was half asleep. So 2.5 by 2.5. Okay, so you need 2. That's 2.5 by 2.5. So that's the 2 sides. And then I papered all of these guys, and I betcha they are 1 inches by 2.5. So 1 inch by 2.5. And I did all 4 sides. And that is that. I should have been maybe a little bit more mindful of the pattern. I don't know if I can get this up. Yes, I can. Yay. I'll just turn these guys around. If you have a directional pattern, this is probably not the project for it, because those directional products, there, that looks better. What do you say? That one is going to be all wonky, and so is that one. But, ta-da! I'm just going to call these my sticker boxes, and they're going to hang out where I do my mailing. So if you get a card from me, you might have a little thank you. Ta-da! That's my project for today. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.